have to go to school. Hurry up, guys. Hurry up.
Are you following me?
No, I don't even know
I'm
where
running
you
you to
are, Mom.
school.
Where are you, Mom?
Teleport to me. And follow me.
We're all the way in the future, and I have to teleport to you? Come on, why don't I just use my jetpack?
Teleport to me.
Oh, I'm going, Mom. I was wondering if I could go on the shopping spree with my friends.
Yeah, sure. Follow. Let's go to school. Let's get you to school.
Mom, have you ever been to my school? It's this way. You're going the wrong way.
No, you are.
No, you are, Mom.
Oh gosh, it's nighttime already.
No, it's not. Follow me.
I'm in the sun. I'm in the dark.
Mom, you're going the wrong way. You're taking the long way.
It's nighttime over there.
Come on, Mom.
Right? I'm going to this house right here.
No, Mom.
What's a party people? No.
I'm pretty sure they don't want you in their house.
Oh, this is an empty house. Can I take this house? Pretend
No.
I was in the market to buy a house.
You have your own.
Babe, this house would be so cute for us. We can give Evangelina the privacy she's always wanted.
Oh, yes.
I need to. You can't do that to me. Where's my? This is my house.
Okay. I'm going to school, guys.
Teddy.
I'm
There's
going
nothing in there.
I'm going to school. I'm going to school.
Okay, and I get to buy my own stuff, furniture and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, I'm done with this water. Get it.
Finally, I can go to school and not be bothered by my parents.
Babe, check this house out. Do you think this would be so good for us?
Yeah, it's perfect. Look, this is
What's
my
down
closet.
that hall?
This is your closet.
Ring, ring,
This is my bedroom. That's your
ring, ring,
Nice. That's it though? That's all
Ring,
it is? I
ring.
guess that's fine if it's just me and you.
ring, ring.
Well, no. So what we can do is you have
Mom
our,
isn't
you
answering.
have our house.
Ring,
It's our
ring.
bathroom
Hello,
back
can
here.
I call you back? I'm busy.
Mom, I need to talk to you about something. It's very important.
This will be our kitchen. Kitchen and dining room, living room,
Mom,
bedroom,
Okay,
Mom,
let's shop and
You-
get
Mom.
stuff for her house.
and bathroom.
you need to go to my school. The teacher wants to talk to you about something
Oh,
important.
Teleport. Babe, they're calling me from Vanjie school. I gotta go. Teleport there.
Okay.
Okay. Everybody, I need to talk to you about your daughter.
It should be kind of like that, but I don't know.
I need to talk to you about your daughter.
What's about her?
Well, she's been a very bad student. She's been sneaking out of school and we caught her this time.
Who
She's
was
been
she sneaking out of school with? Do I sound funny? I don't know how to do the accent.
Okay, she's been very bad and she's not allowed at this school anymore. You may have a lot of money, but
No, we will pay high dollar for her.
no,
Say.
we don't want her anymore.
Going crazy.
We don't want her anymore. She's not being good. She hasn't kept her grades up. And I think you should take away all her privileges. Going to the
You
mall with her
will
friends.
not tell me how I'm going to raise my
I won't
child.
stand for it.
She's
I
not
will
being
not
good.
deal with being spoken to the way that you're
She's being a
speaking.
bully.
You need to get out of my goddamn face.
Ooh, sick burn.
Thanks, babe. Let's get out of this place. This lady's not going to speak that way about my kid.
Well, your daughter's not allowed here at this school and I don't ever want to see your face again.
Babe, I was so upset with that woman by the way that she was speaking about our daughter. How dare her?
Forget that one.
Whoa,
Get
we're
out
in
of
another realm.
here.
Yay, I'm gonna
Home improvement.
I don't have any clothes.
I'm gonna teleport to my babe. Babe, you want me to teleport to you?
Yeah, we got it.
Come your way.
So,
I hope my parents aren't mad at me.
Evangelina better get her butt over here.
But I'm not talking to them. I have my own house. They're not paying the bills, so I'm not talking to them.
Oh, that's what, after all these years of what we've done, this is what you would do to us? That's how you're going to treat us? You wouldn't have any of those bills you would pay if it wasn't for us.
Well, I don't see you helping with the bills now, are you?
Hey,
And the teacher lied, so I don't even know why you're talking
Standing next
to me about that.
Get out.
I don't even know why you're talking about that because it's a lie. Those teachers lie because they don't like me because I dress differently than everybody and I don't wear the uniform.
Improvement store.
Guys, the teacher wasn't telling the truth. I didn't do any of those things.
Uh-oh.
It was that teacher, she lied. She lied.
Okay, that's fine. We totally believe you. I'm gonna handle her.
we don't have enough stuff, this stuff we have here.
So wake me up.
I'm cuddling you from the back. Are you trying to run to me? Are you chasing that little woman there?
Oh.
I'm out of here.
What?
Right behind you, Roblox City's creeping me out. Let's get out of here.
Rolling. Alright, that's gonna be the end of this video today. Hope y'all
I'm gonna go
enjoyed.
adopt a mate for the next
Bye.
video.
Where you at?